this spot is. Sheri, help me push him over. What are you doing? Look at the side of your machine. It's towed. Awesome. If you like these kind of videos, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button. Should be down in one of these corners down there. Hit the notification bell, and he'll get notified when we put out videos. Usually 2 a week, Sundays and Wednesdays. And my neck's starting to get tired, so we're gonna get myself over here. We'll be back. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. We're getting ready to start a new video this morning. Weather's not the best. It's quite miserable. It's been raining pretty hard since last night. It's supposed to get about another ½ inch of rain or so, but we're gonna make the best of it. If you haven't seen the last couple videos, go check them out. We show you around this awesome cabin that we're staying at. It's a really nice place, and it's got a hot tub, which is awesome. But we're gonna go out and try to get another video. I don't know how well it's gonna go. It's been a sloppy, muddy mess already without the rain, so should be interesting. But there's a few things on the map that we want to go look at, so we're gonna head out this morning. We're gonna head over there. It's about a 15-minute drive over there from where we're staying here, so we're gonna head out of here in a few minutes, and we'll see you over on the trail. Conditions are not ideal today. It's wet out. Alright, here we go. This is labeled Big Rock House. It's definitely big. This kind of reminds me of the one we saw yesterday. That's pretty cool. Water's dripping from up top. Oh, you got something on you. See, I'm covered. Alright, I'm going to clean you off and then we're going to move on to the next spot. Hopefully you guys can see okay. Never really do this camera angle that often. Show you guys this. There's like columns holding onto that rock there. That's pretty neat. That's gonna be a tough feat right there. I'm gonna have to get out and look at this. Okay, it's ready. Oh, it's rolling. All right, pretty cool obstacle here. Jesse's up. Let's see what happens.
Sheri's up.
I'll get down in here and get a little different view for these guys. I'm probably just gonna come this way, dude.
Yeah,
this tire over here is gonna be up in the air.
Yeah, and that's the one you need digging.
Yep. I'm just gonna come around. I'm gonna wimp out, guys.
No, that's fine. He's I'm not sure if I mentioned in the beginning of this video, but I know in the last couple of videos I have, he's got a piece of axle broke off in the diff and we haven't been able to get it out, so he's rolling around in 3-wheel drive. So he's gonna come over, instead of coming up this way, he's gonna come around here and go up this way. This is a pretty good section, man. I couldn't imagine after all this gets ate out from water, it's gonna be pretty tough. Still a good time. I love this type of stuff. Off camber, rock crawling, mud, not really mud, but like ruts and ditches, valleys. Rocking the frog togs again. I got a hole in my crotch, so I'm still wet. And gloves are soaked. They're not really doing anything. Alright, moving on.
Pretty cool overlook right there. This whole trail has been solid rock for the most part. It's really cool. It's just all rock, one solid chunk. way down to the car hauler trail again, which is 16, which is here. We're gonna hit this blue trail here and go over to Wayne's Rock. And this is trail 14. Let me just tell you, it hasn't gotten any drier since the last time we were on camera. off, Coop? It's just the rocks here, massive. Overhangs everywhere. This goes the whole way around. You guys can see that all the way over there. I like your antennas.
Did it break again?
Nah, it's still hanging.
Okay.
Holding the roof on. It goes the whole way out around there.
Oh, does it?
If you look, you can see like 100 bees nests all along the sides, like mud wasp or whatever they are. Obviously they're not alive, but they're everywhere here. All right, I'm gonna get a few pictures, and then I think we're gonna start working our way back. We're on our way to go see an overlook, and it's called Scenic Overlook. Simple enough. It looks like you guys need cleaned off, but I don't have anything dry to clean you off right now. We're parked right there, and it looks like there's a little pathway out to here. It's not much of a view from where we can get to, huh?
No, not really.
Ooh. Well, that's weird. Guess it's an overlook. Tell you what, I think what we'll do is we'll fly the drone out here. It's not raining at the moment, just a little bit of mist, so we'll try to throw the drone up, and we'll see what that looks like. hope you guys enjoyed that drone footage. It's pretty nasty out, so can't really see much. There's some cool rock faces though, but while Sheri was, while we were flying the drone, I couldn't speak. Sheri noticed that the tire was flat, so we're putting some air in it to see if we can find a leak.
I don't hear it leaking anywhere.
I don't either. Mine's got a bunch of plugs in it from a different ride. It's holding strong though. And I don't think I did mention that the tube that I had in my front right tire, the hole came like where we patched it. It ended up ripping again and bulged out, and the tube was sticking through the tire. So I just threw Sheri's spare on for this trip. I'll have to order another couple Zillas just to have them. So, but it held for a few rides, and it was still holding air. It's just the tube was sticking out. So if I would have hit something, it would have been done. Holding air.
It's hard to tell. It's taking forever to pump it up, but we can't hear it leaking anyway.
That pump is really slow. It took a while.
It says they're 7.5 pounds.
Put like 10 in it for now, and we'll see how far we can make it. We're gonna call this a video here. Probably not a very long one, but we're ready to call it a day. We're drenched, we're soaked, we're muddy. We're ready to go back, get something to eat, jump in that awesome hot tub that is at the cabin waiting for us. So I know there's a lot left here. We ran out of time. The trails that we wanted to hit were further up, like in the Kentucky side. We'll get up there. We'll come back here again soon, hopefully, and see what else we can get. It took longer to do certain trails than we expected, so we didn't get as many videos as we wanted. But either way, I hope you guys really enjoyed this series. I know we had a freaking blast here. The trails are amazing, so definitely can't wait to come back. Thanks for always watching our videos. Thanks for liking, subscribing, donating on Patreon, and becoming channel members. We'll throw those folks up on the screen here. Huge shout out to you guys. Shout out to our sponsors. Without you guys, a lot of this wouldn't be possible, and you guys for watching and liking all this stuff. You guys are awesome, so thank you. And tune in a couple more days. There'll be another video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you can see when we post another video.